Greetings, Renegades. This is Ivan, founder here. This is my first ever debut video as a founder, and this goes entirely unscripted. So not sure how this goes down, but here I am at Taipei Cycle. What a better place to start the first video. I thought I would start to cover by what and how I started this whole journey in terms of founding Renegade, but what comes before that as well. So almost 10 years ago, I made the decision to move back to Taiwan. I was actually born in Taiwan, but moved to New Zealand at the age of 12. And I was absolutely fell in love with mountain biking to the point where I thought I got to combine this passion with a career, and that was the reason I moved back to Taiwan and worked for SRAM as the first job in the industry. So also what got me into Renegade or designing my own cranks is because I've been riding a zeroed opinion gearbox bike for the past 10 years, and there weren't any aftermarket options out there. So decided I'd take the opportunity to make my own. So that's the start of Renegade. Partly because I wanted aftermarket cranks myself, but also many other Kenyan mountain bike riders out there, they want aftermarket cranks and options. That was the reason I started a side gig, a side project, and now it more or less turned into a full-time job. And so that's how Renegade started. And I also decided at the time to design and develop a crank to be sharing the same tooling for ICE's interface as well, as e-bikes is a very large potential market as well. So to start with, here's a bike with my cranks on it running DJI's system. So here's the ISIS version of the cranks on display at Taipei Cycle. I also have another one on a pinion bike, so we will check that out later. So that's a brief introduction of Renegade. I'll see you in the next one. Over and out.